In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a pie chart where only the outline is showing like what you see right here. So to do this, first highlight the data that you want to make the pie chart from. In this example, it's sales by salesperson. Then go to the Insert tab, and from here you're going to want to click on Recommended Charts. We're going to click on All Charts, and they're going to click on Pie. As you can see, there are a few different variations of pie charts available, but I'm going to click on the pie chart right here, like so. Now we have kind of a basic pie chart in our Excel sheet. To get this pie chart to where it's only going to show the outline, first I want to click on one of the slices and right click on one of the slices, click on Format Data Series. And from here, I'm going to go to this fill option right here. I'm going to click on no fill. And as you can see, my pie chart doesn't have any colors in it right here. But I'm going to want to go to the section below to adjust the border of each slice. Now by default, for some reason, it's white, but let's just say I want to add a black border. Note you can add whatever border color that fits your needs the best, whether it be blue, black, green, whatever you need. This is an example where you click on black. You can also adjust the transparency as well, so you can make this border more or less transparent based on your needs. And you can make the border thicker or less thick based on your needs. And you can even adjust the compound type and the dashes if you want to. So you can have a crazy looking pie chart with a bunch of dashes if you want to. I don't think a lot of people will want that, but just note that it is a potential option if it is something that you might want. You can even adjust the cap type if you would like to. But now I have a basic pie chart with a call it dark blue border. And click right here, and now I have a pie chart with a dark blue border and kind of a cool outline like so. Now, to get to what it looked like in the previous pie chart, I'm going to have to go through and add data labels and adjust data labels to show more than just the numbers, but that's a separate tutorial. Note you can even adjust the outline of an individual slice, so I can click on the pie chart, click on it again, and as you can see by the blue dots, it's showing just an individual slice, and I can adjust the outline to be black, for example. And I can have this one slice even be a different weight, and so on and so forth, to where it really kind of meets my needs. And as you can see, by adjusting this one slice, it kind of stands out amongst your other slices, and I could even drag it to where this one slice will kind of break out a bit more. So we'll click on the slice, drag the slice out, and I can see this one slice now stands out a bit more. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.